This video, I want to talk about the Aster Airdrop Season 2, but more specifically, how you're able to go a blueprint provided by Aster themselves on how you're able to get the points. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing that I want to share with you though is a Solana protocol, which is going to have an airdrop and it's called Titan. Now, as we see here, Galaxy HQ as well, which is this page right here, global leader in digital asset and data center, has led a $7 million seed round for the Titan exchange, now launching publicly on Solana, a Solana ecosystem, and they got 7 million in backing. I will leave you this tweet down below. I'm not going to go and bother you with it. But if you do remember Jupiter at the beginning, it is the same thing. All you got to do to go and make volume, all you got to do is literally make volume. So swap between Solana, USDC, and the other token. And as you see here, 38.2. I keep on getting this one. Like, the slippage on this protocol is mad. The link will be down below. I will leave you a link down below. Make sure to go and check it out because you need to go and do it. And as you see here, the swaps, I am not losing a single cent on Solana. This is cheaper than what Jupiter used to be. Like, the competition now is really intensifying and I'm loving it. And this one is another protocol that is going to have an airdrop. And as you see here, all you gotta do is simply swapping. There is no trading, it's no perpetual decentralized exchange, it's no trading that you lose money. As we see here, I am doing trades on trades on trades, and I'm not losing a single cent. 38.25 is what we started, 38.25 is what I still have here after you've seen all of these trades. Then you can go and pick any other pair on the Solana ecosystem. Absolutely, yes. We can do it also over here on the USDT, and it is going like this. So join now. All you gotta do is literally swap is all you gotta do, and it is absolutely amazing, absolutely convenient for you to go and do. As we see here, 38.24, I'm not losing a single cent. And as we are able to go and see it right here, you can go and pick then from the profile and the leaderboard. There is a leaderboard, there is a point system. Simply go to your profile right here and you will be able to see what you can do. So all you gotta do, as we see here, it is very, very simple. You have your volume, which I've done with this $40. I got my 35 trades. And then also over here on the leaderboard, you have your ranking. So simply scale through the ranks. And you see, I've done this with $40. If you do this with $1,000, it's absolutely easy. You do 100 trades a day, 100K a day. You do absolutely phenomenally, super, super easy. So I will go and double down on this one. But talking about the Aster Airdrop Season 2, I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and join. And am I farming it? Yes. So I do have some spot Aster, as we see right here. And now we are $2. And I do farm it also with the perpetual trading. As we see right here, I do have an Aster perpetual trading. But what does actually give you the point to go and get this airdrop? Well, we have it right here. This is the Aster Genesis, and this is all you gotta do. So make sure to go through the link down below. We are going for, as we see here, where is it? The rewards over here on my community, a 1.2x, 1.12x, and then we go to the 1.2x. And yes, if you're joining my community, you're not joining a multi-millionaire which is already making money and already has money. I'm a simple YouTuber. Watching my videos is absolutely free. I only ask you for the support if you wish to provide it to me. Thank you very much. If not, you can go and get your airdrop even if you're not part of my team. But if not, I'll leave you the link down below. And if you're not part of any team, simply go and put my code. So thank you very much. But what do we have? Well, we have the higher the trading volume on Aster, the more RH points there are. Takers earn 2x. So all you gotta do with this one is simply open a trade, long it and short it. That is all you gotta do. Long, shorter trade, long and shorter trade, make money and make volume. That is the most important thing. You can do it with Aster token at 50x, high leverage, open and close, open and close, open and close, and do your your volume right there. The longer the holding time of a position, the more RH points there are. This does not seem to count for the spot because I do have a spot from from the day 3, as we see right here. I was lucky enough to get into at the right time. It doesn't seem to be it for the spot. It seems to be only for the perpetual contract. So that is one thing. Then we got the asset holding score, utilizing Aster's assets such as Aster BNB or USDF as margin to trade on Aster Pro. RH points are capped at 2x for the user weekly. Daily realized profit and losses, excluding fees such as funding fees, contributes to the RH points. And you can go and see over here on your portfolio, for example, what is the fees, the balance, the spot, and all you gotta do, the profit and loss on the 7 days and the volume on the 7 days as well. which is what you're able to go and do it. And then we got the referral, which of course, if you're part of our community, thank you very much for supporting. But this is all you gotta do. Trading volume is the most important thing. So make a lot of trades, make big trades, and make the volume trade, which it is what you need to go and focus the volume. So this one, the size of every volume, the higher, the multi-$1,000 trades. By the way, this I made $857 in trade with only $17. So that you understand, with a 50x leverage, is pretty tasty, I gotta say. Absolutely yes. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and participate, and make sure to go and get yourself the points. The longer the holding, and also if you made it until the end of this video, there is another perpetual exchange which I do encourage you to go and try. This is SunPerp. The link will be down below, and this is Tron's DAO, just in Sun Perpetual Exchange. And guys, the token, the Sun token right now, which is launching, and it is going to be the key feature of this exchange, is at 2.5 cents. Just go and interact with it. Like, you never know, this one could do like an Aster. It could go and develop into something, or even 10-20 cent. Like, you're still at 2.5 cents. I did go and invest. As you see here, I am long. I did open a position on the Sun token. Yes, let's see how it goes. You never know. I don't think it's gonna be terrible. I don't think it can go any lower than this one, because we had a very low, as we see here, which is kind of where we are back now. We went all the way up to 4 cents. So we have ups and downs, but it is, in my opinion, something cool and something interesting to go and try. So if you wish, I will leave you the link down below for the SunPerp as well. I go and do it. Why not? Like, it's perpetual decentralized exchange fancy right now. So it does seem like everybody's gotta have a title, and everybody's gotta be able to go and do it. So why not? But as well, go and trade over on Titan. Do the swaps. Do all of this. They also have, by the way, Discord server right here, which I did go and ask Solana CEO and Galaxy Ventures are top investors. As we see here, nothing about that for now in terms of an airdrop. They're gonna have an airdrop, of course. Otherwise, they are not going to survive. But make sure to go and utilize this one, and make sure to go and do all of them goodies with the Aster Season 2 airdrop. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. I'm trying to take daily videos for you. I have in real life stuff happening, but I still try to make daily videos for you. So I would really appreciate if you could watch it, if you could leave a like, if you make it until the end. Thank you very much. You are the real supporters of the channel. And it is, by the way, 9:40 p.m. right now. I got work tomorrow, and I'm still here making the video because I do really want to grow this community and try to make it as big as possible. And of course, there is a hype of this one. I try to make as many videos as you can, tutorials. So let me know if this one helped you. But with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.